Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is something different. It's not working on the car or even unboxing a product. It's about my dirty, greasy coveralls. So as you can see, these are my coveralls. You see me wear them in many of my videos. They're pretty dirty. They're supposed to be this gray color, but they're like this brown, oily, gross color. They stink like grease. They're really dirty. To be honest, haven't cleaned them in months. I usually don't wash this with my washing machine, at least not in this state. I usually wash these in a bucket. So one of the methods I've tried is basically using Super Clean to clean these clothes. Soaking it in Super Clean really does pull out a lot of the grease, but it gets really expensive because this stuff isn't cheap and it also takes a lot of this product just to clean the clothes. The other thing I've tried is basically using dish soap. Dish soap, it takes a lot of buckets to rinse and repeat for me to get it clean enough to throw it into the washing machine. Usually very time consuming. And that's no different from using the Super Clean. It also takes a lot of time because it's hand washing in a bucket. What I've read online is people using ammonia. So today what I'm going to be trying is seeing how well ammonia cleans these dirty clothes. So I'll show you guys if this actually works, and hopefully this probably might help you guys out too to clean your clothes. So to start this whole process off, basically I'm going to go and start off and get some hot water and pour it into a bucket. Then I'm going to pour some of this ammonia into the hot water and mix it up real well. And then I'm going to use a sponge or maybe even just dip the clothes in there and soak it up as much of the ammonia and have the clothes really saturated. Then I'm going to throw it into the blue bucket and seal the top with some plastic wrap and just let it sit there for I guess maybe half an hour to an hour. And see how well that does. And then I'm going to basically rinse it all out outside with the garden hose. All right, so I got the water. Let's just fill this up with some ammonia. I'm not sure if the video picks up the steam or not from the water, but I got as hot water as possible. Pour a bunch of ammonia in there. And then let's soak the clothes. Oh, right off the bat, the ammonia has already taken off a whole bunch of the grease. Really should be wearing a respirator while doing this. There you go, it's all nice and wrapped up. And I'm just gonna put it right by the garage door. So to be honest guys, that was very strong. Ammonia smell was burning already my eyes, the gases and stuff like that. So definitely wear some protection. This stuff is very potent. And I don't know if it ate away the glove or not, but you know, I'm gonna go upstairs and rinse off my hands and any skin part that touched some of the liquid, but it's pretty bad. But now we'll just wait half an hour to an hour, see how well that does, and then we'll rinse off all the clothes. All right, time to unwrap this bucket and just rinse out the clothes. Check out that ammonia water. It's so greasy. Alright guys, so I'm done rinsing out the ammonia soaked clothes and it's ready for my washing machine. The ammonia worked really well. It started attacking the grease instantly as soon as I dipped the clothing into the ammonia. So it's just as effective as using Super Clean, but cheaper. The ammonia is pretty toxic though, because it started burning my eyes and it started burning my lungs as I was doing this. So a respirator is definitely recommended. But you guys could try it for yourselves and let me know how that goes. If you guys have any suggestions on how I should clean my clothes and get rid of all that grease, please let me know in the comments below. If you haven't already, please subscribe. As always guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.